This guide is specifically designed for evaluators responsible for completing both mid-rotation and end-of-rotation assessments. We will walk through the essential steps required to efficiently access and complete these critical evaluation forms within the MedSIS system. After logging into MedSIS, you can easily access your evaluations. The system typically defaults to showing any evaluations that are pending, in progress, or under revision. Alternatively, you can select Learner Evaluations from the side menu at any time, which will direct you to the same dashboard with these filters already applied. This ensures you can quickly locate and manage all your outstanding assessments. To review completed assessments, click the magnifying glass icon located in the Evaluatee column. This action opens a new summary window, providing an overview of all assessments completed during the specified rotation period. From this summary, you have two options. You can view an aggregate report for each form type by clicking the magnifying glass next to the form of interest, or you can examine each individual form by selecting View. From your dashboard, you can easily initiate a pending rotation assessment that has been assigned to you as a supervisor. Selecting the assessment will take you directly to the form, where you will be prompted to fill out all the necessary details. Once you have completed the assessment, you will have the option to either save your progress or submit the final evaluation.